Good day everybody. Welcome to the third edition of Enhancing the Landscape Photographs. Today we're going to see how we can take this blare image and convert it to this image by using the raw converter when we import it into Photoshop. For that we'll be using the Canon RAW photo, the CR2 photo, and when we import it, it activates the raw converter. Welcome to Kondor Photographic. My name is Marcus Leibrand. So let's continue. Hi, today we're going to show you how to fix this photograph in Camera Raw. And that is when we want to import a CR2 file into Photoshop. And what I'm going to do here is I'm not going to use the basic settings, I'm going to use the curves, and there's two ways of doing it. In a parametric we can use these sliders at the bottom, so we pull the highlights and the lights till we get the results we want. Then we pull the darks till we get the result we want. Normally I pull these the top, but how much do we need to adjust them? So let's just reset these focus quickly, and we look at the histogram for those. So let's just take the lights slider. As we pull it, we can see that the top of the histogram is sliding to the right. Just a little bit to give it more information in there. Now we're going to pull the shadows and the darks, so it moves to the left. So let's pull the darks and it slides to the left. Pull the shadows a little more until it nearly touches the end there, and there we have a fairly great enhanced image. So that is one way of doing it. So let's just reset these OKs quickly. And now we're going to do the point selection. Now for this one, I create a point on those two corners over there. And I'm pulling the marker up. And as you can see, the line coming down from the dropper until it touches the right side of the histogram curve, the bottom. So a little bit more up, but don't pull it too much. We don't want to pull it through, just want to pull it until it stops at the top. Okay, so you can see we have extended the right side of the histogram to the right. Now we need to do the left side, and we pull this one down and we pull it until it touches the data on the histogram at the bottom. And again, just look how easy it is to enhance this image. And now we've got the full dynamic range. Matter of fact, a little bit too much. I see there's a red line going up there, so it suggests there is some clipping going to happen. Okay folks, that's it for this session. So we open the image. And there is the enhanced image. Just by opening the image this way, we've already progressed a lot with it. Please subscribe to my channel and stay informed of all future videos that are training modules that I upload and share with you.